As you can see, the Rose Ave is missing its very signature headlight. So what I've decided to do is make a fix in the meantime until I hear back from the guys over at Lithium. So what I came up with was the very good Night Rider Lumina 750. Been using this for a couple of years on my fat bike and my road bikes, and they just have good mounts. So the idea is to take this mount and find a good place to put this light on. So we'll see what I come up with. Okay, so here's the mount, which is a nice little heavy-duty rubber grommet on there. But the best part about this is it's got this little screw in here that lets you adjust the angle that the light will run no matter what your fork looks like. So I think I'm going to put it on the vertical piece right here. So this actually worked out pretty darn well, because not only do I have the light mounted right in the right spot, but all that space that used to have the really cool headlight on there actually gives me plenty of room for me to mount my GoPro and the light, so we can get some more adventures filmed going forward. So this actually worked pretty good. The adjustment on the side, nice and level. You can still reach the button. GoPro gets a little bit in the way there for now, but that's pretty easy to adjust. And you can get all 3 levels of brightness and have the GoPro on there. So overall, this still looks much cooler. I mean, I love this light. Even if this other one's brighter, if I can get a new mount, I'm pretty sure the old one's going back on. But in the meantime, this I think looks really good. I mean, it's kind of got an industrial look. And I think another benefit of having the new light on there versus the old light is that if you're riding around in town, this looks more like a regular bicycle and less like a motorcycle, which I think is a good thing if you're unsure of the legal limits of your trail riding, with the e-bike being as a 500 watt motor and a level 2 kind of restricts some of the trails. But this kind of looks more like a regular bike without the giant cool motorcycle headlight on there. I guess we'll find out and see. So later on tonight, I'll just do a quick comparison of the traditional headlight that is off. I can still plug it in and see how bright it is, and do a comparison to the Lumina and see if we gain any light there. So until then. Okay, as you can see, the Super 73 light did just as well as the Lumina in almost every comparison. The Lumina was a little bit brighter really close, but the long distance where you need it, they both did about the exact same light. So huge props to this light bulb. It works way better than I expected it to in comparison. But even better news, while we were waiting for it to get dark, the guys over at Super 73 commented on my earlier video that they're already coming out with a fix for the faulty mount, and that they're going to take care of us that had a defective one that broke. So I get to have the cool light back pretty darn soon, but in the meantime, I got something that'll work almost as well and look almost as cool in the meantime. So thanks again. We'll talk to you guys later.